Hi, unlock your creative potential with our latest video. 5 Canva font effects you need to try now for amazing designs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, these must-try font effects will elevate your Canva projects to the next level. In this video, we'll showcase 5 stunning font effects that can transform your text and make your designs pop. From captivating shadows to eye-catching outlines, you'll learn how to apply these techniques step by step, impress your audience and enhance your branding designs that will make them really stand out. You'll learn how to apply unique font effects in Canva, tips for customizing text for different design projects, creative examples to inspire your own designs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips. Hi, and if you go into Create Design, then type in World. Then go to Videos. Position the video you've selected. Go to text or press T on your keyboard. Type in whatever you want. So I'm typing hello YouTubers. I'm going to change the size of the text. I've selected a different colour by clicking on the colour palette at the top. Then I've scrolled down on the effects down to curves. Now I'm changing the shape of the curve. And then we go to outline. Change the colour. I'm going to select black and increase the thickness. Now you can see the words from a distance. There you have it. So in the next part of the video, we're going to use a template. Like this one. So again, you can see the text from a distance. It's gone to elements, typed in pointing. And then selected the lady who's, and I'm going to expand the photo and go to text. I'm selecting keep it simple. So we're selecting our text there, experimenting with the colours. And we go to effects. See what happens when we put an outline on it, and that looks a lot better. So we do the simple, same with the simple. So when you look at this from a distance, you can see it easily. So here we're going to add a change the font style, the background, so press T on the keyboard and we're typing in flames. Change the font size. Then we go to effects and background. Scroll down and you can see the roundness spread there. And the transparency. So here we're going to change the font colour. Or the background colour rather. Now we're changing the font colour. We're just experimenting. So next we're going to create this text. So press T on the keyboard, type in whatever you want, expand the text, then you go to effects, and then splice. So you can change the colour, direction, offset, stuff like that. So next we're going to do the neon text. So press T on the keyboard and type in whatever you want. So I'm typing in neon, changing the size again. If you want to see how I record my face on this, you'll have to go onto the playlist at the end. If you change the intensity, then it makes the text change to white. I watch the next video to make sure you learn how to make your Canva designs better. Check out the playlist at the end for more valuable tips and tricks.